How to overlap image in Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So as you can see, I have these two images, one of a squirrel and other of a tree. When I try to drag it or put the squirrel on top of the tree, I cannot do it because this will not allow it. So what you have to do is go to each individual image, tap on wrap text, then on image, zero margin, same with the other image as well. Simply wrap text and margin should be zero like this. And now if you will see, the image can be put over the tree and it can be overlapped. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.